These savory potatoes right here, they are delicious. They are full of flavor and dangerously good. I'll show you how I made them. Let's get cooking. Start with pouring water in a pan. Add your small potatoes. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and bring it to a boil. Once the potatoes are cooked and soft, drain them. Be careful while draining the water. Once the potatoes are drained, take them out and cut them in half, because we are going to season them and give them a wonderful flavor. The reason for cutting them in half is because it will give more surface area for the seasoning to grab onto. Once you're done cutting your potatoes, it is time to season. Now comes the good part. Start by melting butter in a pan. Once your butter is melting, add garlic. Make sure to keep your burner on low heat setting so the butter does not burn or start browning. I like the garlic aroma that permeates through the whole kitchen. It starts smelling good. Once you're done sauteing your garlic for a couple of minutes, it is time to sprinkle a little bit of salt and black pepper. Also add parsley for color and freeness. This is the addition that turns plain potatoes into something special. Stir everything together to blend the flavors. Once you're done stirring, it is time to add your potatoes back into the pot. Mix everything gently. Make sure to coat every piece in that garlic butter. Listen to that sizzle. Sometimes the simplest food bring the best aroma. I keep stirring because I want to make sure every single one of those potato bites gets coated with some butter. Once we're going to be done with these potatoes, you are going to enjoy the flavor that it gives. This dish is perfect for a quick meal after a long day of work. When you do not want to cook, or you just want something really quick that is satisfying to your belly. These potatoes give a cozy vibe, a meal you want to sit down and enjoy every single bit of it. I am adding one more touch of butter to the potatoes because why not? I enjoy the extra buttery texture and flavor. This dish is packed with flavor. I continue mixing and stirring the potatoes until the butter melts completely. No need to rush the process, because while stirring, you do not want to crush your potatoes. This is why it is important to not overcook your potatoes while boiling them. Because if you overcook it, it will become mushy, and you do not want that. Our potatoes are done, and just like that, you have perfect small potatoes. Look at that, they look delicious and appetizing. You can freely enjoy every single bite with the incredible aroma. Subscribe for more simple recipes every day. Until next time, see you in the next video. Enjoy!